In the heart of Bali, where every sunrise awakens 1,000 melodies, the journey begins. At Gongsmith Blabatu village, the timeless craft of gamelan is alive, bronze polished to a sacred shine, wood painted with golden strokes of tradition. Here, every detail tells a story, and you witness the artistry that shapes the soul of Bali's gamelan. At Bali Budaya Cultural Village, the gamelan awaits. A warm welcome with coffee, tea and a Balinese cake before the music begins. Silent bronze, wood and skin come alive when touched. Under the guidance of a master, your hands awaken the rhythm. One note becomes many, many become harmony, and harmony becomes the spirit of joy in Bali. More than music, this is a living tradition, a sound that unites, a rhythm that lingers long after the last gong fades. Join the Balinese Gamelan Experience Tour and take the spirit of Bali's music home with you.